we're gonna reach the end of the bridge right there. They're still finishing it. The Tagbilaran is all the way over there. Right there is a Tagbilaran. And this bridge is in Dawis, Bohol. So the purpose of this is to make your trip faster from Dawis, Bohol to um from Dawis, Bohol to Tagbilaran, which is the main city here in Bohol. So that's what it is. Nice houses over there. Pretty sure there's millions and millions of money if you buy that houses over there or land.
Malunggay with cheese pandesal.
Okay, so I reached my neighborhood here already, and I bought some pandesal. It's hard to say no to that. Actually, I don't even eat um like that. But I share it with the people that I live with. They eat some too. So, but I bought some. It's 50 peso. I think it's 5 peso each. I'm not sure because I didn't ask, and this is a new guy that where I bought mine last time. It's a different person, and there's no price on how much, and I didn't even ask. But anyways, well, the message for today is if you can put your mind into it, even though your body says I don't want to do it, you'll be able to do it still if you put your mind into it. You just need to be more um, like you have to follow more your intuition, what you really want to do deep down inside. Even if your mind says no, your body says no. But if that's what your soul wants to do, go ahead and do it. Okay? Listen to your intuition. That's what the message is about today. Oh, and also, this is probably kind of off topic of the first message, but just so you know that if someone tells you that when you're making a healthy boundary and someone tells you you're possessive or controlling because they just want to break free from you, so let them go. Those people doesn't need to have any healthy boundaries. If they can accept that, it means that they want to break free. They don't want no rules. They don't want no one telling them what to do and stuff like that because they just want to break free from you. So if they don't want to stay in your life, then you don't have to stay in their life as well.